Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to stop Roblox from crashing. Now it's a very easy fix. So firstly what you have to do is just simply locate your Roblox player, and then whenever you will try to open the Roblox, try to open it as an administrator. So all you have to do is right click, then run as administrator. So if you'll do that, most of the time your Roblox player should start without any problem. So as you can see, it has started without any issue. In some cases there might be still issue. So let me show you how to fix those. So all you will do is go to your start menu, search for manage apps, then open the first setting over here. Now just simply go to the apps over here. Now just simply click on installed app. Now over here, just simply search for Roblox. The Roblox should be right over here. So click on three dots and click on uninstall. Then again click on uninstall. Now wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, Roblox have installed. Click on OK. Now try to open the player again. Now as you can see right over here, the player have disappeared. So now what you have to do is open your browser and go to the Roblox page. Just simply open any random game. So let's say for example, this particular game over here. Click on the play option right over here. Now give it a few seconds. Now download and install Roblox again. So download the application and install it. So it is going to take some seconds. So just simply complete the process. Now as you can see, the Roblox player is installing. Now after it's done, you will find the player right over here. Before launching any game first, right click on your Roblox player, go to properties and go to compatibility. Enable the options right over here. Click on apply. Now after that, click on run compatibility troubleshoot. Now give it a few seconds. Now over here, just simply click on try recommended settings. Then click on test the program. If the program starts without any problem, that means your issue is fixed. But for you, if the program isn't starting even now, click on next. And then just simply choose no, try again using different settings. But in most of the cases, the Roblox player should start. So after it has started, just simply click on yes, save the settings for this program. It will take some time to save it, so be patient. Now as you can see, the problem that was in my Roblox is fixed. If your program is still running, click on yes. Just simply close it. You can choose this option or this option. It is both the same. Now you're good to go and you can now play any game you like. That's it, and thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.